Yep, here we are, breakfast at Moose Burger. Sheesh. Let's get it. Oh yeah, you can already see like the signs and stuff. Harry Potter. Yo, so for this day we pretty much spent the whole day at the new Warner Brothers Harry Potter studio in Tokyo. No, it was dope, pretty cool. So yeah, expect a lot of just Harry Potter on this vlog. But yeah. Rima, look, we made it, mate. Alright. Where to first? Moses Potter. Alright, this is like the dressing room. Like 140-50 bucks for a robe. We're at Nerima, Tokyo. I think I'll contemplate on getting a robe throughout the thing. See how I feel. Oh, finally in today. Oh yeah. Oh, this is cool. This is like the next room. Shows all the posters, all that. Behind the magic. Hufflepuff, Ravenclaw on the other side, Slytherin down there, and Gryffindor in the front, right? Alright. Gryffindor. Lighting flicker. Hagrid. Just the footwork. Snape. Rest in peace, Alan Rickman. Dumbledore. Professor McGonagall. It's pretty cool. Alright, this is Gryffindor common room, and I'm pretty sure over there is Slytherin. I don't know what's this. Hagrid's little thing. Alright, there's the chess set from Philosopher's Stone. They look a little bit Hogwarts Bridge. Pretty cool. Got the chessboard outside. Cool. That's pretty cool. Bunch of people there. The train. About 9 3/4. That is pretty sick. It's the railway shop in here. This place is pretty dope. Sheesh.
Sculptors doesn't just do statues.
Harry Potter is undesirable. What the heck? Oh yeah, that's right. Oh, that's like... But yeah, that was pretty much Warner Brothers Harry Potter Studio in Tokyo. It's pretty cool, pretty cool. I think it's obvious you should go if you're a Harry Potter fan. But yeah, here's me just buying a wand before we were leaving. Yeah, that was pretty much us for the whole day. Ended up just meeting up with everybody again and having a few drinks. I think we went bowling this night. But yeah, yeah, sweet.